Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration VU11XTR, Volkswagen Transporter 2.0 TDI 140 PS Kombi L2. It's done 131,000 miles. Factory crew van, it has a full service history, it has new cambered and water pump service included. The van comes with satellite navigation, quick-release rear bench seats, color-coded, tailgate model, 6-speed manual, alloys wheels, a nice LWB factory combi in very good condition throughout. Finished in a nice rare blue, this super versatile VW is the perfect all-rounder family work camping the whole lot. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. PX is considered at trade value. Finance is available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or 01885488188.